Well, I got all the lights I need for now, as you can see. It's a simple long press and the lights come on. Hitastar FY1825 audible and turn signal tail light handlebar light kit. What we're going to do is open up the box and show you what you get inside. The instruction guide to go over in detail about your product. 2 sets of rings and bands. The tail light bike saddle. The USB-C charging cable for all 3 products. The handlebar mounts. The remote control USB-C charging. The curvature to mount on the handlebar. And the 2 lights that go on to the fork, saddle, or join together. It is a tail light with the UCOB and the on. It has a blue LED indicator for the remote control. As we turn the unit on, it's a simple press of the remote, and turning on each of the lights is a long press. We'll go over in detail about the product. The USB-C charging silicone door, plastic, reflective, and in standby, blinking. Nowhere is this marked L or right. When setting up, please set up correctly. With the remote control, blue indicator, left and right turn signal, USB-C charging area, curvature to the bike handle with rubber. Band and 2 size O-rings, and the mount clip with the release. We have a bike that we can simply place on the band, either way, up or down for removal, and stretch over to the fork area and adjust. Taking one of the lights and correctly placing on and locking into place as simple as snapping in. A close-up shot of showing you snapping into the unit like so. Lift up, press in, snaps in. To remove, simply just pull and release, making sure all doors are closed. The locking in is a stretching and locking in. Once on the bike, you're able to grab and angle in 3 ways. We are all set up with our lights. If we are using the bike post, we have here's the rubber band that wraps around tightly and places onto the pole like so. Taking a bike light tail and placing on correctly and sliding and locking down into the back area. Now we're all set up. With the remote control on the handlebar, repeat the process with the band and correctly face and lock down. On the remote, we have a tether area to put a string. Now that we've gone over how to install the product, it is now to show you how to pair the product. And before pairing, this is what you're going to be seeing with the unit. You have the circle button. It turns on the unit, the yellow only, the red only, and this will blink a number of times, and then flashing all together and off. If you hit the left button, you can hear audible and light flashing. Press it again, it shuts off. And the right one, nothing. If you see that the lights are flickering, they're on a standby. So now we need to pair the unit up. We're going to go over the instructions and pair the unit by the instructions. Shut down the units by turning off with the orange and the circle. To pair the unit, left turn signal, 1 indicator lamp, long press, both. let go. Blue light flashing, press. Now when we hit the left, only the left will come on with the audio. If we hit the right will not come on. Now let's pair the right by doing the same. A long press on both. Let go. You see a blue light flashing slowly. Press again. We are now successfully paired. Hitting the circle that is on, a short press turns the light on. Hitting it again turns the brake lights on. And again gives a flash. And once again, off. Left turn signal with audible. Press again to shut off. Right turn signal, off. Hitting the light once to have it lit up. Making a right turn. Making a left turn. Hitting it one more time. Same thing. Right turn. Left turn. And back. And that is how the unit works. These are the lights. If I make a left turn, the right light goes out. And now I got the tail lights on the rear. I want to make a left turn and then off. It's a firm press. And then just the tail lights and then the flashing. So if you're looking for a set of tail lights for your bike, these may be something that you are looking for. Alright, so we got the control sticks and we're going to go for a little ride so you can see it, what it looks like in the distance. Left light, right light, off. You can shut them off, turn them on, remove them, and put them on to different areas like your fork down below. A little hard for me to see in the evening hours getting onto the piece. Brake light, rapid light, off. Making a left turn. Making a right turn. Enjoy your product, and thank you for viewing.